Have you ever experienced a series of coincidences that seem to be leading you towards your desired path? These synchronicities may come in the form of unexpected opportunity, chance encounters, or serendipitous events that align with your goals and aspirations. When we notice these meaningful coincidences, it can be a powerful indication that we are on the right path. At first glance, synchronicities may seem like mere chance or coincidence, but upon closer inspection, they reveal a deeper meaning and purpose. They can serve as signposts along our journey, helping us to navigate the twists and turns of life with greater ease and clarity. One of the most beautiful things about synchronicities is that they often come when we least expect them. They can catch us off guard and awaken us to new possibilities and opportunities that we may have otherwise overlooked. When we pay attention to these signs, we can tap into a greater sense of purpose and meaning in our lives. For instance, imagine that you have been considering a career change for some time. You've been feeling stuck in your current job and have been longing for a new challenge. One day, you happen to bump into an old friend who tells you about an exciting job opening that would be perfect for you. This is a synchronicity, a sign from the universe that you're on the right path. Or perhaps you've been contemplating a move to a new city, but you're not sure if it's the right decision. One day, you're scrolling through social media and come across a post from someone who lives in that city, raving about how much they love it. This too is a synchronicity, a sign that you're on the right path. The universe is constantly communicating with us through synchronicity, but it's up to us to pay attention to these signs and interpret their meaning. When we do, we can gain a deeper sense of clarity, purpose, and direction in our lives. Synchronicities are a powerful tool for guiding us towards our desired path. They are a reminder that we are not alone in our journey, and that the universe is constantly working on our behalf. So, the next time you notice a meaningful coincidence, embrace it and see it as a good sign from the universe that you're on the right path. Have you ever found yourself completely immersed in an activity that you enjoy, losing track of time and feeling a sense of joy and fulfillment? This state of mind, known as flow, is characterized by a sense of ease, effortlessness, and joy in our daily activities and tasks. When we are in flow, we feel as though we are in the zone, and everything falls into place effortlessly. Flow can be experienced in a variety of activities, from sports to creative pursuits, and even in the workplace. It is a state of mind that is not only enjoyable but also highly productive. When we are in flow, we are able to accomplish tasks with greater efficiency, creativity, and focus. One of the key characteristics of flow is the absence of self-consciousness. We are fully absorbed in the activity and lose track of time, thoughts, and worries. This state of mind can be incredibly liberating and empowering as we let go of our inhibitions and trust in our abilities. Another aspect of flow is the sense of challenge and skill. Flow occurs when we are engaged in an activity that is challenging enough to keep us interested but not so difficult that we become overwhelmed. This balance between challenge and skill is essential for achieving flow, as it allows us to focus our attention on the task at hand without becoming distracted by boredom or anxiety. Flow is a powerful state of mind that can have profound effects on our well-being and happiness. When we experience flow, we are able to tap into our creative potential and achieve a sense of fulfillment and purpose. We feel energized and motivated to pursue our goals, and we are able to overcome obstacles and setbacks with greater resilience and positivity. If you are experiencing flow in your daily activities and tasks, it is a good sign from the universe that you are on the right path. It means that you are engaged in activities that align with your passions and interests, and that you are able to achieve a sense of joy and fulfillment in your daily life. Keep following this path, and trust that the universe will continue to guide you towards a life of purpose and meaning. Doors start to open up for you when you're on the right path. You may have heard this phrase before, but it's true. When you're aligned with your purpose and values, you begin to attract opportunities that align with them. It's like the universe conspires to bring you what you need to succeed. But what does it mean to attract opportunities? It means that you don't have to chase them. You don't have to struggle or force things to happen. Instead, opportunities come to you naturally and effortlessly. It's like a magnet pulling in metal. You become a magnet for the opportunities that are meant for you. How does this happen? It happens because you're in a state of flow. When you're in a state of flow, you're in a state of alignment. You're in harmony with your surroundings and your inner being. You're not resisting or pushing against anything. Instead, you're open and receptive to what's coming your way. When you're in this state, you begin to notice synchronicities and signs that guide you towards your desired path. You may meet someone who introduces you to a new opportunity, or you may stumble upon a job posting that seems tailor-made for you. You may receive an unexpected email or phone call that leads to a new opportunity. Whatever it is, it feels like it was meant to be. But how do you get into this state of flow? It starts with knowing your purpose and values. When you know what you're meant to do and what's important to you, you can make choices that align with them. You can say yes to the opportunities that feel right and no to the ones that don't. You can trust your intuition and follow your heart. It also helps to have a positive mindset. When you believe that good things are coming your way, you're more likely to attract them. When you focus on what you want instead of what you don't want, you're more likely to manifest it. When you're grateful for what you have, you're more likely to receive more. So, if you're noticing that doors are opening up for you and opportunities are coming your way, take it as a good sign from the universe that you're on the right path. Keep following your intuition. Keep saying yes to the things that feel right, and keep trusting that the universe has your back. When you're in a state of flow, anything is possible. In our fast-paced, logical world, the idea of trusting one's intuition can often be met with skepticism or even dismissed as a woo-woo concept. However, when we take the time to listen to our inner voice and trust our instinct, we can tap into a powerful source of guidance that can lead us towards making the right decisions and taking the right actions. Intuition is like a compass that helps us navigate through life's twists and turns, and it's a good sign from the universe that we're on the right path. Intuition is the innate ability to know something without relying on conscious reasoning. It's that feeling in your gut that tells you to go left instead of right, or to trust someone even when they haven't given you a reason to. Our intuition can be incredibly powerful, yet it's often ignored or overridden by our logical mind. We may convince ourselves that we're being irrational or emotional, and therefore discount our inner voice. But when we learn to listen to our intuition, we open ourselves up to a whole new level of guidance and wisdom. Our intuition can help us make decisions that align with our values and purpose and guide us towards the path that's meant for us. It can also protect us from danger or harm and provide us with insights that we may not have otherwise considered. Trusting your intuition doesn't mean that you throw logic out the window. It's about finding a balance between your rational mind and your inner voice. When making decisions, it's important to consider both the facts and your intuition. You can use your intuition to help you interpret information and see things from a different perspective. By doing so, you can make more informed and balanced decisions. So, how do you tap into your intuition? It starts by quieting your mind and tuning into your body. Pay attention to how you feel when you're faced with a decision or a situation. Does it make you feel tense or uneasy, or do you feel calm and at ease? Your body can often give you clues as to what your intuition is telling you. You can also try meditating, journaling, or spending time in nature to help you connect with your intuition. Trusting your intuition can be scary at times, especially if it's leading you towards the unknown. But when you have faith in your inner voice and believe that the universe is guiding you towards the right path, you can find the courage to take that leap of faith. And when you do, you'll often find that the universe rewards you with positive outcomes and experiences that confirm you made the right decision. So, intuition is a powerful tool that we can use to navigate through life's ups and downs. When we trust our intuition, we're able to tap into a source of wisdom and guidance that can help us make the right decisions and take the right actions. It's a good sign from the universe that we're on the right path when we listen to our inner voice and follow its guidance. So, the next time you're faced with a decision or a situation, take a moment to tune into your intuition and see where it leads you. Life is not always easy, and sometimes it can feel like we're navigating through rough waters on our own. However, one of the most beautiful things about life is the support we receive from those around us, whether it's from friends, family, colleagues, or even strangers. That's the perfect moment to thank you guys. I want to thank everyone who is actively listening and watching my videos. Having you on this spiritual journey is a true blessing. Reading your comments always delights my heart. Again, thank you for being part of this community. So, when we receive support, it's like a gentle reminder from the universe that we are not alone. It's a reminder that there are people who care about us, who believe in us, and who are willing to lend a helping hand when we need it the most. Support can come in many different forms, from a simple kind word or gesture to more tangible forms of assistance. The beauty of receiving support is that it can be a catalyst for us to achieve greater things. When we feel supported, we're more likely to take risks, to pursue our dreams, and to push ourselves beyond our limits. Support can give us the confidence we need to take the next step forward, even when we're feeling unsure or scared. Moreover, support can help us to overcome challenges and obstacles that we might not be able to face alone. Sometimes, when we're faced with a difficult situation, it can be easy to feel overwhelmed and to give up. However, when we have the support of those around us, we're more likely to persevere and find a way through the challenge. It's important to remember that support is a two-way street. Just as we receive support from others, we have the opportunity to offer support to those around us. By being there for our friends, family, and colleagues, we can create a community of support that can help us all to achieve our goals and dreams. Receiving support is a good sign from the universe that we're on the right path. It's a reminder that we're not alone, and that we have people who care about us and want to see us succeed. By embracing the support we receive and offering support to others, we can create a positive cycle of growth and encouragement that can help us all to achieve our full potential. Have you ever felt lost, unsure of what you want to achieve or what your true purpose in life is? It's a common feeling that many of us experience at some point in our lives. But when you find alignment with your purpose and values, it's like everything falls into place. You have a sense of direction, focus, and clarity that guides you towards your goals and dreams. It's a powerful feeling that can transform your life in countless ways. When you are aligned with your purpose and values, you feel a deep sense of fulfillment and satisfaction. You know that what you're doing is meaningful and has a purpose beyond just making money or gaining recognition. You have a sense of inner peace that comes from knowing that your actions are in line with your core beliefs and values. And this inner peace radiates outward, affecting every area of your life, from your relationships to your work to your health. In addition, being aligned with your purpose and values gives you a sense of confidence and authenticity. You're not just going through the motions or doing what you think you're supposed to do. You're living your truth and being true to yourself. This authenticity is attractive to others who are drawn to your passion and sense of purpose. Finding alignment with your purpose and values requires self-reflection, honesty, and a willingness to take action. It means asking yourself tough questions, such as, what do I really want in life? What are my core values? What brings me joy and fulfillment? What legacy do I want to leave behind? And then taking the steps necessary to align your actions with your answers. It's not always an easy process. There may be challenges and obstacles along the way, but when you're aligned with your purpose and values, you have the inner strength and resilience to overcome them. You know that what you're doing is worth it and that you're on the right path. Alignment with your purpose and values is a powerful force that can transform your life in countless ways. It brings a sense of fulfillment, inner peace, confidence, and authenticity. It requires self-reflection, honesty, and action, but the rewards are immeasurable. When you feel aligned with your purpose and values, it's a good sign from the universe you're on the right path. So take the time to find your alignment and see where it leads you. As human beings, we all desire to be appreciated and recognized for our efforts and achievements. Positive feedback can be a powerful motivator and can help us stay on track towards our goals. When we receive positive feedback from others, it not only boosts our confidence but also confirms that we are on the right path. Receiving positive feedback can come in many forms, such as compliments, recognition, or appreciation. It can be from anyone, including our friends, family, colleagues, or even strangers. It can be about anything, from our work performance to our personal traits and qualities. Positive feedback can be a powerful force that can propel us towards our goals. It can encourage us to keep going, even when things get tough. It can help us overcome self-doubt and negative self-talk and remind us of our strengths and abilities. Moreover, positive feedback can help us build better relationships with others. It can create a positive cycle of giving and receiving, where we appreciate and recognize others in return. It can also foster a sense of community and belonging, where we feel valued and appreciated for who we are and what we do. However, it's important to remember that positive feedback should not be the only source of motivation. It's essential to have an intrinsic drive and passion for what we do, and not solely rely on external validation. We should strive to do our best, regardless of whether we receive positive feedback or not. In conclusion, receiving positive feedback is a good sign from the universe that we are on the right path. It can boost our confidence, motivate us, and help us build better relationships with others. However, we should not rely on it as the only source of motivation and should strive to have an intrinsic drive towards our goals. Let positive feedback be a reminder of our strengths and ability, and keep pushing forward towards our dreams. Positive feedback is an incredible motivator that can inspire us to keep going, even when things get tough. When we receive positive feedback, we feel acknowledged, appreciated, and valued, which can give us the boost we need to continue pursuing our goals and dreams. However, positive feedback doesn't always come in the form of direct praise or recognition from others. Sometimes, the universe sends us signs and patterns that we are on the right path, which can be just as powerful and inspiring. One of the most common forms of positive feedback from the universe is through repeating numbers. Have you ever looked at the clock and noticed that it's 11:11, or seen the same number sequence over and over again throughout your day? This is no coincidence. Repeating numbers are believed to be a sign from the universe that you are aligned with your purpose and on the right path. They serve as a reminder to stay focused, trust your intuition, and keep moving forward towards your goals. Repeating dreams are another form of positive feedback from the universe. Dreams are often our subconscious mind's way of communicating with us, and when we have the same dream over and over again, it's a sign that there is an important message we need to hear. Whether it's a dream about flying, falling, or facing a challenge, pay attention to the details and try to interpret the message behind it. Your dream may be guiding you towards your next step on your path. Repeating animals are also a sign from the universe that you are on the right path. Animals have long been regarded as symbols of wisdom, strength, and guidance, and when we see the same animal over and over again, it's a sign that we need to pay attention to its symbolism. For example, seeing a butterfly may signify transformation and growth, while seeing a hawk may represent vision and clarity. Keep an open mind and observe the animals around you. They may be trying to tell you something important. Finally, repeating words or sentences can also be a good sign from the universe that you are on the right path. Maybe you keep hearing the same quote from different sources, or a particular phrase keeps popping up in your mind. These are not just coincidences. They are messages from the universe that you need to pay attention to. The words may hold a deeper meaning or provide guidance for your next steps. So again, positive feedback from the universe can come in many forms, including repeating numbers, dreams, animals, and words. When we receive these signs and patterns, it's important to pay attention and interpret the message behind them. They serve as a reminder that we are on the right path, and that the universe is guiding us towards our purpose. So the next time you see the same number sequence or dream, remember that it's a good sign from the universe that you are on track towards your goals and dreams. Be open to receive, and I hope to see you in my future.